everyone. This is Khushi. I'm a fifth year undergraduate at the Department of Humanities. So I was the drama club convener for the year 2022-23, which was the first proper offline year after the pandemic. And I'm from the 2020 batch, so it was the online batch. We had no idea how any of this works properly offline. We just had some theoretical experience, and I personally have had no dramatics experience before. I've never done acting, directing, none of it. And I was in NCA Dramatics, so I really liked stories in general. I liked reading a lot, so I thought, why not try out dramatics, because it sounds fun. And I put for NCA Dramatics, and then that's how I got convener. I applied for it and luckily got it, but did not expect how much it would need and how much I would need to learn and manage things properly, because we had to do a lot of things that year. We just started out by putting a play in Insti just to see how it is. And then after that, we had something called Playoffs, which is a grand showcase of 4 plays that we do. It's to involve a lot of people in dramatics, essentially, and give the hype. This happens usually in October. So after managing that, we also had the contingent work going side by side. We went to Festember, which is NIT Trichy's fest. We also had to manage and participate in Inter-IT and Sarang, which was a very, very hefty task. But then we did end up winning. We won in Mime, which was something we're trying out for the first time. We won in Street Play for the first time. We won Dramatics in Sarang. So it was a very amazing experience. And then we had Stagecoach, which is this big play, the very high budget production play that we put at the end of the year, around March, April. So that was the whole convener tenure as such. With respect to drama, I would say you genuinely do not need to have any kind of talent whatsoever. I still don't know how to act, to be honest. I've been the assistant director for the Festember play, and that's about it. But yeah, I could pull off a proper tenure as a convener, so that is something. I would say if you don't have, you can try out acting, you can try out, you need to know some acting to try out directing, but you can always try production, which is managing props, costumes, makeup, anything that interests you. You could go into writing if that is something that you have penchant for. So in general, all you really need is Enthu when it comes to drama. There'll be a lot of seniors that you will go to for advice, and you will find your community there, which is what I found. It's just very easy to get along with these people because you're spending so much time with them throughout the play practice to decide things, to manage how this outcome will look. And that's what I like the most about it. You spend so much time with these people, you create a proper bond, and you just somehow always know them, and you get to meet a lot of people in Insti. People from various peers come to drama. It's like a very, very wide range of people. So yeah, I would say it's just definitely one of the best places to be in Insti, and you should definitely check it out. Thank you.